Hey, good morning guys. I'm up here in Oregon visiting some family, and it just so happens that there's an event going on at Wanderlust Overland, so I thought we'd go check it out. So, see you there. I'm in Oregon City, Oregon at Wanderlust Overland for a Saturday morning meetup. We got some coffee, some cool overland rigs, and really seeing some unique setup. I was able to finally meet up with Ed Shin here. We're gonna go and have some lunch. And then I think this evening, they're calling for some snow up in the Cascades. So we'll go see what trouble we can get ourselves into. So let's go along. Hey, good morning guys. Didn't do much talking yesterday as I figured I'd kind of let the footage speak for itself, but we are about 4,800 feet above the Sandy Am Pass in kind of to the west central Oregon, for those that are familiar with the area. But it was a lot of fun. We basically spent the first half of the day exploring all the forest roads around here. I mean, there's just miles and miles of them. Our first campsite that we were looking for was going to have a view over here of Mount Jefferson. But one thing I didn't think about was with the snow coming in, we wouldn't be able to see it anyways. But either way, as we tried to go down that road, there was a massive log in the way. And so I'm definitely going to get a chainsaw in the future. Having an axe helped, but there was no way I was going to be able to chop through all that. So anyways, lesson learned there. But it snowed on us starting about 9 p.m. last night, and pretty much all throughout the night. It was a mix of snow and rain a little bit, but I think we will probably just enjoy our coffee here. We got my dad's over there making the fire, and kind of see where the day takes us. But it's supposed to basically snow all throughout the day, and this is the first big snow of the season, so we're pretty excited. But anyways, thanks for coming along. Well, that was a hell of a weekend, guys. Started here actually, where I first talked to you in this driveway. I went to Wanderlust Overland at their meetup. Actually, it was my first overland meetup, and really cool to meet some new people and check out some really unique rigs and setups to give me some good ideas for my Jeep here. After that, went and grabbed lunch with Edward Shin, which I'm sure a lot of you guys already watch his channel, but if you don't, I'll put a link up here. He's really a big inspiration for me for my content, so really awesome to be able to grab a beer with him and get some ideas and kind of learn how we got to start. So Ed, thanks again for taking time out of your weekend to meet with me, especially right after closing on the house. And then after that, my dad and I hopped in my Jeep, went up to the Sandy Am area in the Oregon Cascades, and man, if you haven't been up there, I know not all you guys are West Coasters, but the network of forest roads up there I think is even better than what California has in the Sierra. The other thing I noticed is there's no gates or anything on the roads, so I think the only thing that closes them in the winter is your inability to get up over the snow and get on them. So that was a lot of fun. I'm gonna be here for a couple more days in Oregon before I head home, but be sure to subscribe if you haven't, because I've got some great winter wheeling and camping videos coming down the line. I've got the tent pitched here to air it out. Make sure you guys do the same if you ever get your tent wet with snow or rain or whatever, so that you don't get any mildew or mold growing in, because I've seen that happen. And other than that, that is going to be it for this video. So please like it if you did. Be sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and leave any comments or feedback you have in the comment section below. Other than that, guys, I'll see you in the next adventure. Thanks for coming along.